Well, hi ladies. Hey, congratulations on purchasing the Advanced Ritual from Riman. I want to walk you through how to use these products super easy. And because it's nighttime, I'm going to show you how to do this at nighttime. All right. So you have three cleansers. You have the enzyme cleanser, the cleansing oil, and then you have the active cleanup powder. All right. Now, it really doesn't matter what order you use these in, so experiment with them. But I like to take off my makeup with the cleansing oil. I have clients who would prefer to take off the makeup with their enzyme cleanser. So again, play with it. For the sake of just showing you what these products look like on your face, I'm going to start with the Snow Enzyme Cleanser. About this much. Okay, about this much, and you're going to rub it all over your face. The enzymes in this kind of start to eat away, dissolve your makeup. They eat away the dead skin. They're so wonderful. So cleanse your skin. And let's face it, sometimes you're in a hurry, you just want to wash your face and get to bed. Other times, you're willing to let this product sit on your face and kind of, it bubbles up. I'm going to do this in a hurry tonight, so if you want to give yourself a really good facial, then just let it sit on your face for a little bit, okay? The Korean women believe in double cleansing, and so we always double cleanse at night, and trust me, it's amazing how much makeup comes off your face on that second cleanse. Okay, so I use the enzyme cleanser. Some nights I use the oiling cleanser and the cleanup powder. Sometimes I just put this and take it in the shower. It's like an exfoliator. So again, just play with it. All right, here's the cleansing oil. 1 squirt, does not take much. The reason I like to do this as the second cleanser is because my face is more dry. And again, just take this and just rub that oil right into your mascara. If your eyes are super, super sensitive, you might prefer to take off your makeup, your eye makeup with water, okay? Okay, usually I'm standing at a sink and I'll splash water in my face. I've got a bowl of water here, okay? So then I'm going to kind of put that over and it just emulsifies that cleanser. Can you see that? Oh, so good. Make sure you hit your neck. Then you can either splash it off or use a washcloth. I use microfiber washcloths from a company called Saint, and I love these, but they're gentle on your face. Okay. All right. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take the tonic, the Rad100 tonic, and a couple drops in your hand, and then you're going to pat that all over your face. And then I like to let it dry, okay? Followed by the ampules, okay? Press down the lid, stick it down in, draw up the product. Mine's almost gone. So usually I like to do, okay, press that down, push it down into the product, and then draw it up into that, and you get a full ampule usually. Again, mine's almost gone. So we're gonna put this all over our face. Again, rub, pat, get your neck. The Rad line is the advanced line, and which is why it's called the Advanced Ritual. And you're going to love what it does, how it lightens and brightens your skin. It feels so good. And then the last step is to put on the cream, the moisture, I think it's called the Rad100 cream. Okay. It comes with this cute little spatula. Just put a little dab on, doesn't take much, and rub it all in. Okay. So that's your evening routine, and then in the morning, cleanse your face with 1 cleanser, and then repeat, okay? Cleanse, tonic. You're not using a cotton ball like familiar old tonics. You're just patting on your face, followed by the ampules, followed by the cream. and you are ready to go. And then I recommend that you add sunscreen. Whoops, wrong product. I recommend that you add this sunscreen sooner than later. And that is your routine. Hope you enjoy, and your skin is gonna love this product.